Guys, this is Joey over at the Outdoor Living Pros. We're at a project that we just finished in Ocoee, Florida. Crystal, Ravita, and her husband were amazing. They're from Cleveland just like me, so you know they're awesome. Here we did about 1,300 square feet of our premium premier turf. As you can see, this just finished their backyard. They outlined it in rocks. They're planting some palm trees everywhere. They're still planting over there. And it's awesome. They call it Ravitaville. So here we did turf around the trampoline over there, right up to the pool and the pool post, right around the pool deck, and we kind of did a curve to keep continuing the house line into the pool deck, and they wanted to plant the rocks around it. Here, same process as always. We digged about 6 inches up of all of this. We put 4 inches of landscape rock, 2 inches of crushed fines with the PVC border around, 2 inches thick. After that, there's no padding here because there's no playground or anything like that. So we laid down the turf, staple the turf to that PVC border, and we're pretty much done after that. Before we leave, we pour some silica sand unless you have dogs. Then we'll use a special infill called Zeofill, made from volcano ash. It neutralizes the ammonia in the pea urine. But here, we did not. They don't have any dogs. They have a couple cats. You don't need any special infill with cats. But here we did the silica sand, and right before we leave, we power broom it in, make sure it's in there in about 1 to 2 days. Obviously, you can't see this, and they just finished 2 days ago. They finished this job in about 1 day. This was amazing from our install crew. Tulio and his guys were awesome with this project.